So here I have an electric lawnmower here, Black & Decker, and it has this case here. It has two screws here that you can remove, and then two on either side. And then when you get that off, you can have access to the motor. This motor here, I don't know why, but these electric motors it's DC. You can see the brushes here. So motor has some I forget what you call these little brushes in there, and this little square thing right here is your rectifier. It has positive AC voltage right here. This is one, and then when you hit the lever on the handlebar, it connects to the other AC right here. So these are your AC inputs, and then this is the DC output, and it goes to the motor. So these two go to the motor right here. The handle was on right here, and it has some screws on the bottom. You just take those off, and inside it has this switch. This is to start, and it's also a safety feature here. And so when you pull the lever there, it pushes this contact in. And what this contact does, we can take it out. It connects these two black wires, and it disconnects these two wires. So you can do a continuity test. When you push this in, there should be contact here, no contact here. So just make sure your switch is okay. If your switch is okay, then you want to make sure that the connection, the power connection here, this orange wire connects down to the motor over there, and the black one there. So what you can do, one of the leads right into the orange one. So we have it stuck in there, and you want to use the other lead to go here and make sure there's continuity. You can see it beeps sometimes, but I'm just going to put it in here. So my rectifier is fine. And then from here to here, I should be getting 120 volts AC. When I do this, and I'm getting 124, which is fine. So, issue could be that contact here. The graphite contacts here. There we go. Put some WD-40. So the issue was this graphite here has this kind of springy thing here, and you just need to put a little bit of WD-40 in there and it should be fine. It wasn't pushing there because how the motor works is it alternates there. You have it spin and there's these little grooves on the rotor shaft there, and that graphite is used to alternate there every time it goes in between those grooves. You can reverse the magnetic field in there so it kind of spins. So yeah, if you're reading your voltages here, when you press it, it'll be 120 AC and about 116 DC here, then it should be fine. So this is a DC motor, and you want to also make sure that the graphite is not all used up, because that's used for the contact there. You can still see there's plenty there, and it has to be hitting that groove right there. So just double check that your graphite isn't past there, and it should be touching there as well. No more need for the jerry can.
If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.